hope you're faring well. Thanks for clicking onto this video in which I'm going to do a simple glam makeup look. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and to my returning subscribers, thanks for keeping it real. Like if you liked the video, share your thoughts on the comment section, and also share the video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie brush, then I'm going in with my Davis eye pencil in the number 18, and you want to make sure it's really sharp in order to achieve light and gentle strokes. Then I'm lining them following their natural shape while filling the sparse areas. At the far front, you want to go with gentle vertical hair-like structures to give it a more natural appearance. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn to clean out the brow. I'm finally going in with a beauty blender to blend out the remaining concealer around the brows. And I'm going in with the same concealer that I used to clean out the eyebrows to prime my lids. And I'm using a small flat brush to pack the concealer in. I'm blending the concealer in to even out the product around the lids. I'm setting it in to avoid creasing when I will be applying my eyeshadow. I'm using a clear tape in order to achieve a wing-like effect during eyeshadow application. On this eye look, I will be using two shades, a matte and a shimmer shade in my nude rose gold Huda matte eyeshadow palette. I will be using Love 8 as my transition color. You'll want to bring the eyeshadow on top of the tape, otherwise the tape won't have its desired effect. I'm blending while packing it on until I achieve the gradient color that I want. On the brow bone area, I'm using a shade called Clay to blend it with the transition color. On our crease area, I'll be using that shimmer color in the shade Kinky.
Running through our core, it's best to not feel sorry when it's over.
Remove the tape cautiously. See, we have already achieved that wing-like effect, so it's optional to go in again with the liner to make an eye wing. I'm going to prime my face with the Kiss Beauty Poreless primer to achieve smooth and seamless foundation application. Then again, you don't want to apply foundation directly onto your face without priming it. I'm priming around the nose and the T-zone area, and finally to the rest of the face. For the foundation, I'll be using Milani in the shade Amber, and I'm squeezing the damp beauty blender to remove excess water. I'm using a finger to apply the foundation on my face. I'm blending it with the beauty blender evenly on the rest of the face. You'll want to take your time until all the foundation has blended out seamlessly. You'll want to blend that foundation and drag it towards the neck in order to match your face.
Running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over.
I will be using my Illegal Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn to highlight my under eye and the T-zone area. Then we'll set it with the banana setting powder and leave it to bake for some time. I'm contouring my cheekbone area with Illegal Pro Conceal in the shade Dark Cocoa and blending it downwards. Around the nose, I will blend the rest of the product with my finger for an even look. The rest of the product and with the blender, I will use it to blend around my forehead area. Here I'm just brushing out the excess powder on the areas that I highlighted. I will be setting that contour with my contour palette. I will set the rest of the face with a finishing powder to tone down the products. I'm setting the face with a setting spray. I'm highlighting the bridge of the nose with the bronzer, packing it on with my finger for a seamless blending. I'm also highlighting my cheekbone area on top of that contour with a brush. Then I'll just highlight the inner corner of my eye with a gold shimmer shade.
When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real. This life comes
I'm lining in the innermost part of the waterline area of the eye, and I'm smoking out the outer part with a Davis black pencil.
It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll say
I'm putting on mascara on the upper lash line. I'm also applying the mascara on the lower lash line.
when things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope
Lastly, I'll be lining my lips with a brown Davis lip liner pencil in the number 3 because I want to do an ombre look effect.
time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
I will be using Huda Beauty Demi Matte in the shade Peach. Voila! That's our final look. Thanks for watching.
And most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid